How to complete course connection via phone, internet, and get fixed. Install accessories on the pole. And fix the handhold device. Mount the receiver firmly on the pole. Adjust the pole to a suitable operating height. Attach the external antenna to the receiver. Press and hold the receiver power button. Power on until all indicator lights are illuminated. Connect the phone to the network via SIM card or hotspot. Launch Surpad and newer project. Create a project. Configure project properties and coordinate systems parameters. Tap Device and Communication to connect the device. Device manufacturer, select TopTech, type in communication mode, then search devices. Pair the device by matching the searched ID with SEN number. A steady Bluetooth light indicates successful connection. Access the rover interface and select phone internet. Set the cutoff angle to 5 degrees or 10 degrees. And disable record raw data. Set connection mode to in-trip for course settings. Fill in course information. Name, IP, port, username, and password. Save configurations and apply. Re-enter the phone internet interface to get access point and select mount point RTCM32_GRCEJ. Click Apply. Return to the device page and check the positioning status. Start surveying only after obtaining a fixed solution.